Okay, we're getting there. After this lesson, we will have forecasted both Tesla's automotive revenue and gross profit, and also the revenue and gross profit from its other two business lines. The missing piece, of course, is the gross profit of the energy generation and services business lines. Here's the past data observed between 2014 and 2017. We also have data for the first half of 2018. Given that we forecasted revenue from the two business lines, energy generation and storage, and services together, it makes sense to group them when forecasting gross profit as well. I'll simply type NA in each of these cells. Historically, these business lines had a gross profit of 22, 18, 18, 1, and minus 12%. However, given that 2018 is not over in our example, I'll opt to exclude it from the average. Let's calculate the average percentage of gross profit for the years between 2014 and 2017. Okay, I'll fix cell references, and this will be the base case. In accordance with what we usually do, I'll add plus 2% in the best case scenario, and we'll subtract minus 2% from the worst case scenario. The choose function will help us model the three scenarios. I'll need a second to add the three possible values. Okay, and once we are ready, we can easily multiply the selected GP percentage and revenues for that year to obtain gross profit. Very well. I can easily calculate cost of sales too. The formula would be the same as the one we used when calculating automotive cost of sales. Minus, in front of parenthesis, revenues minus gross profit. This is how we obtain cost of sales for the energy generation and storage and services business lines. Thanks for watching.